Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to this series of cue cards. And I've made more than 20 videos on cue cards, and these cue cards are commonly used cue cards in Ielts exam. So I'll give you some ideas. If you go through this video in a couple of minutes, you will be clear about this cue card. So the topic is describe a city you would recommend. You would recommend is future. Would. Will or would, we use them in future tense. Describe a city you would recommend as a nice place to live, not your own town. It means you will not talk about your hometown, you will talk about another city, and this city may be the part of your country, it may be the part of another country, so it depends. Like as you're planning to go to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, England, you can talk about London, Melbourne, Calgary, Toronto. Okay, so you can talk about any city like that. You should say what it is. What it is, it means the city. Where it is, where is the city. What you know about this place, about this city, and explain why you recommend it as a nice place. So this cue card is very easy. Talk about a city you've been to or you've heard a lot about, and it's gonna be fine. Okay. As you know, cities have become an important part of human developing. Being a human, we mostly love to live in the cities as compared to the villages. Today, I would like to talk about a city which I strongly recommend to my fellows and friends, and the city is Toronto. Toronto is a Canadian city, and it is a wonderful city. It's a worth living place for any human being. Well, the city is actually in Canada, and this city is quite large, and the population is mixed. There are people from all cultural backgrounds, all countries, and there is a mixed sort of population. So this city is actually the part of Canada. Well, it is located in the middle. Like if I talk about the geographic location of this city, it holds very important place in Canada. It covers, like, it is in the geographical location where you can go to many other cities which are nearby, and you can just go there comfortably. I don't know much about this city, but I only know that this is a modern city, and in Toronto there are many beautiful shopping malls, there are many stadiums, you can play different games over there, and for young people there are many cafes where they can go and socialize. And not only this, there are also many facilities for tourists. That is why they flock to this city every year. Well, I would recommend this city as a nice place for a number of different reasons. First of all, law and order situation in this city is wonderful. Secondly, the high moral values for human. The human, they are valued a lot in this city. And finally, as I mentioned, the law and order situation, there is no crime. Crime rate is 0.05 in that city. For all these reasons, I recommend this city strongly to anyone who is thinking of moving to another city. Alright guys, okay, I didn't know much about Toronto, but I just, thought whatever is in any modern city, it could be in Toronto, right? So, there are some general things, some general facilities which are in any city. So I talked about such type of things and all that. So I spoke about this cue card mainly in present tense, and when I talked about my recommendation, there I used future tense. This answer is going to bring you a minimum 7 bench score, as my own bench score is 8. And by the way, if you go through the band descriptor of 9 band in speaking, even then there is room for mistakes, okay? Because we are the non-native speakers of English language, so there are sometimes very, very minor, flaws in our English, as we are the non-native speakers, so they accept such type of flaws, and even in the presence of these flaws, they give 9 band if your English is up to that very level. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.